Here's how to book a service without creating an account. Guest checkout allows clients to book with just first name, last name, and email. So just say we would like to book this service. We'll click check availability. We'll select an available option, go through the process, and click go to checkout. Here you'll fill out your first name, last name, email address, and you have the option to send a message to the service provider. Then you'll click continue. This service requires a credit card, so you can put that information in, click continue, and it will allow you to complete the booking. After the booking is completed, there will be a prompt to finish creating an account, but this step is optional. Account creation is only required if the booked service is an online service that uses Bookme's built-in video chat. Then the booker has to complete the account creation to access the video call.